Okay, what's your name, Bailey?
Bailey Taylor.
Yeah, what's your middle name?
Terry.
No, your middle name is Taye.
Taye.
Yep. And where are we?
At where are we at?
Costco?
Costco.
And what did you get?
I get a Barbie.
Yeah, can I see it?
Yes.
Okay.
Hold on.
Want me to help you?
No.
You got it?
Yeah. See?
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty. Is that Belle?
Yes.
Okay.
And the horsey.
And the
I
horse.
didn't see you, Grandma. You didn't see me? No. I was here. Where are you at?
More store. I was finding a water dispenser for you.
What is this? Can you pick me up?